Hi everybody and welcome to my first writing tips video of the new year. When I started this channel, I didn't really have a structure. And when you're uploading 5 or 6 times a week, it really helps to have a structure. And that's really my tip for today. Even if you are not someone who plans things out to a T, it does help to have some kind of framework to work within. Even if it's a few ideas jotted down on a napkin. The wildly successful Monsters, Inc. movie started off as scribbles on a napkin, so you never know. Anyway, my uploads this year are going to be a little bit more structured. Mondays will be devoted to general writing tips. How to stay motivated, how to create a good writing environment for yourself, and so on. Some of you have asked for a step-by-step guide to starting and running a blog, so we'll be doing that on Tuesdays, starting tomorrow. It'll be a series that you can follow from beginning to end as you set up a blog of your own. Wednesdays will be reserved for literary constructs, grammar rules, proper use of punctuation, some of the technicalities of writing. Thursdays will be devoted to fiction writing tips, and I'm trying something new on Fridays. I'm going to look at some headlines and how they are written. What do the writers of the headlines want us to think or feel? I'm not going into the actual stories themselves. I do that a lot on my other channel. So if you're looking for commentaries about what's happening in the world, check me out over here. For this channel, each week I will pick one headline and look at how it's crafted. Now, last year I was posting writing challenges on Saturdays. For the time being, that is being discontinued, but I am going to be posting writing prompts on my social media pages 3 times a week. So please be sure to follow me there. The handles are in the corner of the screen. I'm excited about continuing to grow this channel over the next year, and I'm so glad to have all of you along for the journey. Please give me feedback. Let me know what you want to see on this channel. As always, thank you for your support. I will see you tomorrow.